How to use Greek yogurt for yeast infection. First, I highly recommend you to stop spending so much money on yeast infection treatment products that do not work. Use that money and invest in your knowledge about yeast infection instead. If you don't know where to start, I recommend you to pick up the ebook Yeast Infection No More written by Linda Allen. I have used her unique 5-step method to help me cure my yeast infection in as little as 12 hours. Greek yogurt is high in calcium and protein and low in carbohydrates and sodium. Like other yogurt, it is a healthy choice to add to a balanced meal plan. It also contains beneficial lactobacillus, which are organisms that may help to prevent or treat yeast infections, or candidiasis. Why it works. Greek yogurt and other types of yogurt contain healthy lactobacillus bacteria. Cultures of this organism are used to curdle milk and to form yogurt. The lactobacillus in yogurt can form healthy bacterial colonies in the body that help to fight the overgrowth of yeast. Other benefits. Though it is not known if Greek yogurt contains more lactobacillus than other types, U.S. News Health reports that it does contain approximately half as many carbohydrates as regular yogurt. This may be beneficial to individuals with any type of candidiasis because yeasts feed off the carbohydrates you consume. However, this benefit of Greek yogurt has not yet been scientifically confirmed. In addition, Greek yogurt is also high in protein. A 6-ounce serving contains 15 to 20 grams. This is equivalent to the protein found in 2 to 3 ounces of lean meat, and eating it helps to promote a feeling of fullness. On the other hand, Greek yogurt does have a higher fat content than regular yogurt, and it is best to eat fat-free or low-fat versions. How to use Greek yogurt for yeast infection. Plain Greek yogurt is the best kind to use for this home remedy. Make sure that the yogurt doesn't contain added sugar, which fuels growth of the candida fungus. To apply the yogurt, simply place it directly on the sore area and leave it on for a couple of hours. It might be good to do this prior to bedtime, as, even if the solution is on for more than that, it can't do any harm. Also, keep in mind that you should also consider eating yogurt as well to combat yeast infection outbreaks. However, direct application is much quicker for anyone who is constantly battling yeast infections. Whichever method you opt to use, rest assured that this is an effective remedy to stop the yeast infection from returning. Take a tampon out of its applicator. Fill the applicator with yogurt, and use it to insert yogurt into your vagina. Freeze the yogurt first. Some people freeze yogurt inside a tampon applicator. Others use the finger of a latex glove. You could even put it in an ice cube tray. It will be cold, but soothing. Or you can just use your fingers to get as much into your vagina as you can. How long does it take to work? Expect to use the yogurt for about 7 days. Generally, you'll want to continue using it until your symptoms have disappeared. Greek yogurt for yeast infection during pregnancy. Greek yogurt will make a nutritious addition to your diet. It will supply all the nutrients that you need on a daily basis. But you have to ensure that it is made using pasteurized milk. Greek yogurt made with unpasteurized milk may contain listeria, a bacterium that can cross the placenta, leading to a potentially life-threatening infection to the baby. It can also cause miscarriage. Side effects and safety. Greek yogurt is likely safe for most adults when taken by mouth. Yogurt is possibly safe when used in the vagina. There aren't many reported side effects, but some people might experience diarrhea, stomach problems, or a skin rash. There have been cases of people getting sick from yogurt contaminated with disease-causing bacteria. Be careful to choose yogurt that has been prepared and stored properly.